What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're going to be talking about how you can make channel art like this one on your YouTube channel. So first off, what you're going to want to do is click the first link in the description down below. It should bring you to a page like this. What you want to do is click this little lock button right here, and then click allow. Then click the reload button. Should bring you to this page. After that, what you want to do is click new image, make it 2560 by 1440. Then you want to check off the transparent box, press OK. You guys should be able to scroll in and out with your scroll wheel, but I don't know if it works for you. So after that, what we want to do is click the second link in the description down below. It should bring you something like this. What we want to do is right click it, save image as, and then save it wherever you I already have it, so I don't need to do it again. What I want to do is go back to this, go layer, open image as layer. Then you want to find wherever you had it. Alright, after you got that, you're going to press open. It should bring you to something like this. And what you want to do is click a new layer, which is right here, and get the drawing tool, and make sure it's on rectangle. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, I just like it to. Like that. Then after that, what you want to do, click new layer again, and then press the text icon. And after that, put your channel name in. So mine is Toony, and then you can go through and choose any font you would like. First, I'm gonna make it bigger so I can see a little bit better. It doesn't matter about the size right now. Personally, I kinda like this one. I know after you did that, what you want to do is the size. I recommend 150 if your name has the same amount of characters as me, but it might not, so it might be different. You want to center that up. Make sure it's a white because that looks way more professional in my opinion. Then press OK. Then you want to right click it, layer styles, drop shadow, opacity 100, distance 5. And then size 5. And press OK. Then after you did that, you're gonna want to go to Instagram PNG on a new tab, and it should be like the first one. You want to right click that, save image as, and save it wherever you want. I already got one, so I don't need to do it. Then go to layer, open image as layer, and it should be wherever you saved it. Right there. Now we got that. Go to this, hit random text. Then you go to edit, create transformation. Make it just a little bit smaller. Make sure you hold shift so it doesn't like get all distorted and stuff. Like this. Should be good. Then you want to do the same thing for Snapchat. So Snapchat PNG in a new tab. The first one should be good. Then right click it. Save image as. Save it wherever you want. I already got one, so I don't need to do it. Go layer, open image as layer, then open that. Should pop up. Go to edit, create transformation, make it about the same size. Remember to press shift before you shrink it. I think that might be good. Let's see. Yep, that's close enough. Then what you want to do is right click on the Instagram layer, layer styles, put an inner glow on it, max it all out. This is just so we can turn it white, so it matches the text, so it looks way more professional. Then you want to put a drop shadow on it as well, 100 opacity. Press OK, and do the same for Snapchat. Alright, now once you got that, go to text icon, and then type in your Snapchat. Don't forget the @ sign. Nice. I would recommend changing the font to just any different one, so it looks a little bit more professional. I'm gonna go with Arial. I'm gonna shrink it a little bit so it matches up with my Instagram icon. Then I'm gonna change it to white so it matches everything. Line it up, kinda. I think I might go a little bit smaller. 55 should be good. No, a little bit smaller. And you don't want it too small. 45 is good. You want to right click it, go to layer styles, drop shadow, opacity 100, distance 5. Alright. There's that. And then you want to press OK on this, just get it out of the way. Then you want to right click this, duplicate layer, press the pointer tool, let's line it up so it's about the same. I don't know about you guys, but my Snapchat is different than my Instagram, so I'm gonna have to change that. What you're gonna want to do is press the text icon, and then go to this, and then change it to whatever you want. Again, in Snapchat, you don't need the add symbol, so you can just delete that. Go to Snapchat. If any of y'all are real OGs to my channel, you will know this is my old YouTube channel name. Alright, there's that. I think we should go a little bit lower with this. That should be good. Alright, after you did that, I don't know about you guys, but I personally like Fortnite. So what I'm gonna do is search up transparent Fortnite. You guys can put whatever you want. There's basically like any transparent image on Google. You just search it up, I bet you could find it. So my favorite I already have. All you gotta do is copy paste it, save it, just like you did all the others. So go to layers, image as layer, then you go to wherever you saved it. I'm gonna go with the Leviathan. That's my favorite skin in Fortnite. Go to edit, free transformation, hold shift so it doesn't distort it. Thought that size is good. Now I'm gonna put my name in front of him, just like that. And what I'm gonna do is add another skin. You guys don't have to do this. This is just what I like to do. This one's like one of my second favorites. Edit. There's my shift. Then click on yes. Then make sure you bring these layers of the skins all the way down to the bottom so everything overlays it. Then what you're gonna want to do is go to Google, search up any like background picture. Personally, I search up Fortnite view, so it kind of like goes with the flow, you know what I mean? And I searched up whatever one I wanted. I went with this one. I saved it as. I already did this. And after you did that, you're gonna want to make sure you're all the way down where we did this. And you want to make sure you're before that. Then go layer, open image as layer. Find wherever you saved that image. And you want to go open it, press edit, create transformation, hold shift, stretch it out to wherever you want it to be. In my case, I did above that on accident. So I'll do that. And stretch it to wherever you want it. Let's say like right there, and then I'm gonna stretch it. Then search up fade PNG. Personally, I like using the dots. You want to right click, save image as, and then save it to wherever you want. I already have one, so I don't need to do it. Go to layer, open image as layer, find wherever you saved it, open it, and it should come up right here. Make sure you have that selected. I'm gonna edit, create transformation. Then you just want to make it big until it makes like a fade effect, you know what I mean? I like the fade to like go far, so like there will work. What we want to do is copy that layer, drag it over. Let's see, it's the wrong way. Do a layer, rotate layer 180 degrees, and it should latch right into place. Now you got that. Then you want to go up to File, Save, crank the quality all the way up. I'd save it as a JPEG. You can save it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna save it as, I'm just gonna say channel art, and then press OK. Save it to wherever you want. Press save, and there you go. And then how you update it to YouTube, I'm gonna skip to that right now. All you're gonna want to do is press customize channel. Then after you do that, it should bring you to this after it loads in. Hold on. There we go. This is a previous one I made. Upload to YouTube, press this little pencil in the box. Feel free to hit that sub button. We're on the road to 100 subs. You select the photo from your computer and then search whatever one you want. Then you can just press open. Might take a second for it to upload. Then there you go. Reload your page. And this should load in. There you go. If you have reached the end of my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Be highly appreciated. Feel free to hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post more bangers like this one. It's been your boy Toony, and I'm out. Peace.